today we're going to be doing the lace braid, one on each side, and then combining them together, which looks really pretty and flows very well, which works out great. So let's get started. I like to part it in the middle to do it. You don't have to. You can part wherever you want to. But, oh, and I like these Wet Brush Pro. I got these at the beauty supply. You can probably get them online or something like that. I can send in the comments. I can actually put on a picture of it so you guys can see. Or maybe I'll even post a picture here on the video. We'll see how it goes. Part down here, down the middle. Also, like the little pointy helps you part. Have your daughter bring her hair back up. Get a section at the top, and you want 3 strands, just like a regular French braid, although you don't add. You only add from the hairline. So you do your first stitch, you do the hairline to the middle, part line to the middle, and I think it might be in the way. Okay, so hairline piece to the middle, and then the part piece to the middle, like so. So hairline piece to the middle, and add some hair to it. Now, you take your part line piece, add it to the middle, but you don't add any extra hair. This is what makes it a lace braid. And hairline to the middle, and add hair. Part line to the middle, hairline to the middle, and add hair. Part line to the middle, no extra hair. Part line to the middle, and add hair. Now from here, you can fluff it out a little bit so that it's still nice and taut when you're done, or you can do it at the end, but doing it at the end sometimes makes the tail really short, and then it ends up loosening up. But I don't know, busy talking, almost added hair. Hairline to the middle, and add 2. Little time lapses, and we'll catch you at the end. Okay, here comes to the adding part. So you grab your first piece, take your clip back out, or whatever you have, and you line up your hair so that you have 2 sections in each hand, or each finger. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And you can just braid. Do your 3-strand braid, and it looks really pretty. It looks so fancy and gorgeous. And really wasn't all that hard. So we're all done. And it looks so pretty. You have your lace braid connected in the middle, turned into a 3-strand braid. I didn't go over the loopings, as I have in previous videos. What you want to do is you want to go on the outer edge, taking the outer edge, and you pull up just a little bit, kind of like up and out a little bit, and it makes your hair look a lot fuller, which is a wonderful trick to know. So, I hope you liked this video. I was having fun, and I think my daughter was too, my beautiful model. Please comment if you have any questions, or if you have a style you want me to show you. Please let me know. And I hope you liked it. You can give me a thumbs up. And if you would like, please subscribe. And you can hit the little bell, and it will let you know that my video has popped up, so you can learn some new braiding. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, and keep practicing.